So you all can agree with me, for those of us that use Capcut to edit our pictures and our videos, you can agree with me that Capcut has made some of their features pro version, meaning that you have to pay before you can download them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can, do one or two things and still download it for free, and it will still be like when you're using a pro version. So guys, if you're interested in this video, stick with me as I take you step by step on how you can do that. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can color grade. As you can see this video now, I'm not using light. I didn't use light on it and my windows are closed. So I'm going to show you how you can lighten it up, and even though they have made some of their features pro, I'm going to show you how you can other things that you can use to, and it will look like you're using the pro version. So let's start. Okay, so click on the video and look for adjust. Click on adjust. As you can see, color match, color correction, pro. So we'll come over here. This is brightness, this is contrast, saturation, and all of that. So but before we continue, I would like you to understand something. I am not wearing the same color of clothes you're wearing. I am not the same complexion with you. Okay, the color of my background is different from yours, so I need you to apply wisdom while you're doing this. You cannot do exactly what I'm doing, okay, but you can use mine as an example and use your wisdom to know what works for you. So this is brightness. You can choose to increase it or you reduce it a little bit depending on what you want and what works for you. And once you're done, and if you feel it's not okay, you can always go back to check it. So this is contrast. This contrast can, kind of thicken the color of your image. Okay, as you can see, it's making it more pronounced. My hair is dark, but once you increase it, it will become darker. Okay, so this is to make it thick. Okay, so depending on how you want it to be, I think this is okay for me. Then saturation, you can increase, you can decrease. I think I'm gonna increase. So the brilliance, you can increase it and you can also decrease it. So this sharpen and clarity is very important. Okay, I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why later on in this video. So I like to keep mine at 50 something. I think this is okay. You can take it to 100 if you want. I think 50. Okay, this is 56. This is okay for me. Clarity the same. Let me go for 50. 50 is okay. Now this is HSL. Here you're gonna kind of increase or decrease the colors in your clothes. Okay, so for instance, now let's use this blue. As you can see, there is blue in my clothes. Okay, so you can are you seeing the effects? You can actually change it. Are you seeing? Just look at that blue in my clothes. Are you seeing it? So like I said, is what works for you. Just do what works for you. Okay, then this is the saturation. Just look at that blue there. Are you seeing it? So just do what works for you. Okay, I don't normally use here, but I just want to show you what it looks like. Okay, so you can also use highlights. You can use highlights. I think I'll go for minus this time around. So the shadows, if you have any shadows in your videos, it can actually remove it. Okay, seems I will go for -2, a little bit minus. So we are coming back here. We're coming back to the filters. So let me show you something. Now just click on. Okay, let's go back there again. I want to show you something. So once you're done editing, okay, and you have other videos, you want what you did to apply to other videos. So what you're going to do is click on this apply to all. Okay, just click on it. So click on it and it will apply to all of your videos. So click on this. Good, then we'll continue. So look for face, look for retouch. Look for retouch. This is retouch. Sorry. This is retouch. This is retouch. Okay. So click on that retouch. Click on face. It's coming. It's coming. Coming. Okay, this is why I said I was going to tell you why clarity and sharpen is important. When you use clarity and sharpen and smooth, it will give you the same as even tone, if not 90% of even tone. I am telling you so, because if previously this even was free of charge, but is now on pro version. So when you combine that clarity and combine it with that sharpen with smooth, it will give you that even. So that's what I told you guys I was going to tell you, that is necessary that you apply that sharpen and even tone. So what you're going to do here to get this even, you have to increase this smooth. Okay, you're not going to make it much. If you do it much, it will be too pronounced. Okay, so something like this is okay. Something like this is okay. It's okay for me. Then you can whiten your tooths. Okay, I think not to pronounce 30. Okay, 31 is okay for me. And when you're done, click on apply to all, confirm. Then click on this go down here. So we are going back to that filter. We're going back to that adjust. Click on the adjust. That's if you're not okay with the color. So you can use filters. Okay. When you click on that adjust, you click on filters. So you can use any of this, but this is the one I usually use. So you just use any one that works for you. Okay. I go to movies and I use one day. It's too pronounced, but you can adjust it. You can reduce it. Did you see how I'm reducing it? You can increase, you can reduce. I think I'm going to reduce it. This is nice. This is cool. This is cool for me. Okay. So guys, are you guys seeing how better now it is? To edit our pictures. So as you can see, it's now brighter. So once you're done with all this, just go ahead and export. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe for more interesting and educational videos. And if you have any questions, just drop it on the comment section. I'll be glad to answer your questions. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.